ShareFactory Studio Snippets for noobs. Whenever you want to edit some text, you need to go to the text menu. So you push the square button and click on Edit Overlays. Once you've done that, you push the square button again and it will take you to this menu, which will give you all the options you want to make any edits. Now let's take a look at how to change text color in ShareFactory. So looking at the text menu, we go across to color and you've got all these options: hue, saturation, brightness and opacity. So I would always start with the saturation and bring that all the way up to 100, and then it makes it a lot easier to see the color that you're choosing when you're looking at the hue section. And all these movements, you use the D-pad left and right to adjust it as you want to. Then you can go back down and adjust the saturation if you want to. And then underneath that you've got the brightness, so obviously making it lighter or darker, and then underneath that you've got the opacity to make it transparent, more transparent or less transparent. So looking at the end of each bar, you see they've got a number. If you find colors that you like to use, try and make a note of the numbers of each level, and then it'll help you using it in the future. These boxes along here are all set colors that are always sat there. And then these last four boxes on the side, these are the most recently used colors. So if you've got a color you use quite often, it will often be sat in there and you can just go straight onto it and select it there instead of adjusting it each time if you prefer. Watch this complete guide next, which has many other tips and tricks for using text on ShareFactory Studio. It's on the screen now, so watch that next, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ShareFactory tips that make you a better ShareFactory editor. Thanks.